10, example sum 3.33. Solve x square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0 by formula method. Solve this equation by formula method. So, solution. First of all, we want to compare this equation with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And then, what is in the place of a? It is 1, right? In the place of a is equal to 1. What is in the place of b? It is 2. And then what is in the place of c? We get minus 2. Formula we have all the terms are positive. Here we have minus. So you have to take the negative also, negative values also, right? Then c is equal to minus 2. What is the formula for this? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. It is the formula. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, what we have find out in a, b, c, that value should be applied in this formula, right? Then x is equal to, what is in the place of b? 2. Here it is the minus symbol, right? So minus 2 plus or minus root of b square means 2 square minus 4 into, what is in the place of a? 1. In the place of c, minus 2 whole divided by 2 into 1. In the place of a is 1. Next, minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square is 4 minus, see here also we have minus, here also we have minus, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8 into 1 is 8, right? Divided by 2 ones are 2. This term is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 12 divided by 2. Root 12 can be written as 3 into 4, right? 3 4s are 12. Here 4 is a perfect square number, so it can be written as 2 root 3, right? So on this format, so minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Here also 2, here also we have 2. 2 will be taken out commonly. 2 is taken out commonly means minus 1 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 in the divide and then numerator. Both are cancelled. Now we have two values of x. X is equal to, one of the value is positive, another value is negative. Minus 1 plus root 3 is the one of the value, and then x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 is the another value, right? Here we have plus, here we have minus. This is the x value. Next example sum 3.34. Solve 2x square minus 3x minus 3 equal to 0 by formula method, right? Compare this equation with the formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, general form of quadratic equation, right? This is the general term of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So in the place of a is equal to, what is it in the place of a? 2. What is in the place of b? Here we have negative value, so we have to take the negative also, but in the formula we have only positive, so wherever it has the negative, just take the negative value also. And then the place of c is equal to minus 3, right? What is the formula for this equation? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. What is the formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now in the places of a, b, c, we apply the values, right? This term is equal to minus of, in formula we have minus, what is the b value? Minus 3. So here we have must be very careful. In formula we have minus and b value also minus, right? So minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into, what is in the place of a? 2. In the place of c, minus 3 whole divided by 2 into a is 12, right? Then this term is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 into minus 3 is 9, right? Minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9. here also we have minus, here also we have minus, so minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 whole divided by 2 2s are 4. Next term 3 plus or minus, add the two terms, what you get? 33. 24 plus 9 is 33 divided by 4. Here 33 cannot be factorized or cannot be find out the square root for this number 33. So we take it as it is. Here we have both positive and negative value of x. X is equal to 3 plus root 33 divided by 4 is the one of the value, and then x is equal to another value is minus 3 minus root 33 divided by 4. This is the value of the given terms, right? See next example sum 3.35. Solve 3p square plus 2 root 5 into p minus 5 equal to 0 by formula method. So you compare this equation with the quadratic equation bx plus c equal to 0. In the place of a is equal to, here x is considered as a variable, here p is the variable, right? So in the place of a is only 3. So in the place of b is equal to, just omit the variable p, the remaining 2 root 5 is the place of b, and then the place of c constant is minus 5, and we have the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Just apply the values what we have found out, right? This term is equal to, in the place of minus, b is 2 root 5 plus or minus root of 2 root 5 whole square minus 4, in the place of a is 3, c is equal to minus 5 whole divided by 2 into 3, a is 3, right? Now the first term as it is plus or minus root of, if you square this term, 2 root 5 whole square means 2 square is 4, here 5 root means 2 root and square will be cancelled, right? Two terms should be, when we square both 2 square and root 5 whole square, we have to apply the form. So 2 square is 4, when we square this root 5 means we get only 5. So 4 5s are 20 is the answer. Minus, here also we have minus, here also we have minus, minus into minus plus. Next 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Here also we have minus, here also we have minus, so minus into minus plus whole divided by 2 3s are 6, right? Next term minus 2 root 5 plus or minus, sum of this number is 80 divided by 6. Now 80 can be factorized. How? See, 80 can be factorized like this: 16 into, right? 16 into 5. 16 5s are 80. Check that. 5 6 are 30. 0 remainder 3. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 80. So here 16 is a exactly perfect square number. If you take commonly outside, we get 4 root 5. Right? 16 is a, the 18 can be factorized like this, that is 16 into 5. 16 is exactly a perfect square number. So 4 root 5 divided by 6. See, in both the term we can take commonly 2 as outside, right? Commonly we can take 2 outside. Here we have inside root 5 plus or minus 1 2 is taken out means 2 root 5 divided by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Furtherly, let's see that now this term is equal to root 5 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 3. Now we have to split it into two form, that is, one is positive and another one is negative. So x equal to minus root 5 plus 2 root 5 divided by 3. Another one is x is equal to minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 divided by 3. See here, root 5, here we have 1 root 5, here we have 2 root 5, right? Here we have minus 1 root 5, here we have 2 root 5. when we subtract this, we get 2, 1 minus 2, right, is 1 root 5 divided by 3. I understand this. Here we have 1 root 5. Here we have 2 root 5. When I subtract this, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 root 5 divided by 3. Here x is equal to minus 1 root 5 minus 2 root 5 is equal to minus, both having minus 1 minus 2 means it is minus 3, right? So in this form, minus 3 root 5 divided by 3. Here 3 will be cancelled. So x is equal to minus root 5. So x equal to minus root 5 and x is equal to root 5 divided by 3. This is the roots of these equations. Thank you, students.